Alright. We are recording and yep. Sorry if the mic buzzes a bit. It just sort of does that. Let me see if I can raise it. Loud to me. Alright. I'm gonna play one FNF song and then upload this to YouTube. Gonna do the same song I did before with my first attempt. And where is it? Alright, there we go. Marlene. And Bambi's farm.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, second attempt at recording this. Hopefully this goes better than I expect. I'm playing on mobile. Forgot to mention that. Damn it. Wondering who that is? Just an Xbox friend that I know. This is my second favorite bit. Like every time that part comes up. Hold up. I'm gonna show you which bit is my second favorite bit. Second favorite. I love the way Bambi says like holy. It's just so cool. Holy phone. You are right, Bambi. Holy phone. God. Fifth bit. Off my hands a little bit. If anyone could tell me how to record on Xbox, that'd be great. Yeah, leave me alone, no person who's non-existent. So rude, man. Remember this time. You're dead, Modi. And there we go. Upload attempt number 2 done. Goodbye, sleep tight, don't let the bugs bite. Nor me, because If I bite, I could kill you. Goodbye.